Hello, Ji Goenkans. Today, our topic is the next type of element, that is paragraph tag. So let's just begin. I already opened Notepad, so we'll just start with our program. So HTML, the first tag that we have to write, and then we have the header. This time we just don't want something in our header, so let's keep it simple. Now title. The title is paragraphs, so I'll just write paragraph tag. So I'll close the title and then we'll close the header. So this is something that we need to be in designing the web page. We have to be consistent we have to be consistent and correct writing our tags. So next will be the body. So we'll just start with body. Paragraph tag syntax is we have to start with P, which means paragraph, and then with P we have different alignments. So what we have is, in P we have alignments, paragraphs alignment. So P align is equivalent to, then whatever the alignment of the paragraph you want, you have to write that in the double quote. So P is center, then we'll close it. Or we can write what we can write is, we can write P align. Next the option is P align is right. So, or alignment is right, left, center, what is there. So we'll write P align left. So, and we have P align. The other option that is in the alignment is justify. So these are the four options available for paragraph alignment. But we have to remember one thing, that we have to use the closing tag as well after the text. So let's just first write something. This is my practice page of HTML chapter. So I'll just repeat the same so that it looks like a paragraph. So copy. So this is a few line paragraph. Now we'll just, once we're done with the paragraph, we can close our center tag. So I'm just closing the center tag. Now we have next, that is, so we'll write. Now we can close our right alignment tag. Now we have next, that is left. So we'll first write a paragraph and then we'll close the left alignment tag as well. Then the next was justify. So we'll choose a paragraph for it as well, and then we'll close it as well, justify. And then what we have to close is our body tag, because we're done with it, and then we have to close our HTML tag. Now we'll save our document, as we know, in two forms. That is, first save it as a text file. So we'll write here paragraph save, and then next is save as, if you want to view the file. So again, this will be with the same name, but the extension will be HTML save. Now we'll go into the documents to check the effect of our file. So I'll look for my HTML file that is here with the paragraph name. I'll click on it and it will directly open in the web browser. So if you all can see, the first is in the center, the second is in the right. As you all can see, the data is from this side. This is my first practice page, you all can see. Then there is left, so the data is starting from the left side. Then we have justify. Justify will display the data as it is, the format where the way we have written it. Justify displays the data in the same way. This was for today. Thank you.